Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you missed yesterday's live unboxing, oh my goodness, don't worry, I have you guys covered. Number one, this unboxing was sponsored by a family friend who heard we were doing social emotional learning and wanted to send us the game Togetherland. If you would like your game featured on the next video, well, feel free to head over to my Instagram for two reasons. Number one, my Instagram, if you follow me, you will not miss another live unboxing. And number two, message me so you can actually have a video and a shout out sponsored for you guys. So let's head over to the actual unboxing of Togetherland. Mixed review. Number one, I was super surprised by how fun it was. But bringing me back to the fun, I would say it was more fun. Like when my students were learning grammar, this is definitely the best way to go. Highly recommended. It was so funny and they really learned a lot of grammar. But in terms of fun, I don't know per se if I would actually, pull out this game and play it by myself. So it's just a little review on Mad Libs. But for today's game, I have Togetherland. Now, this is actually a sponsored game. It was sent to me by a family member who heard that we were doing social skills in school. So that was definitely a lot of fun to receive this little surprise for you guys. But we thought it was like a real size game, and look at this. Look how small this game is. I mean, look at my palm. So number one, a little disappointed about the size, but number two, totally love the fact that this is a game and we can learn skills from it. So let's open it up. Oh, that's another thing. I mean, there are a lot of positives to small games. I mean, how many of you guys just like look at your game shelf and like, oh my goodness, I don't have enough room? Okay, so this game does not want to open up. So yeah, like I said, a positive to Togetherland. Let's do the old-fashioned way. Oh, sorry about that. So positive to Togetherland, it is super teeny and it won't take up much space. And like I said, it's supposed to be a socialization game. So first of all, I love the colors. The graphics are adorable. It has like a fairy, an ogre, just like Fairyland theme. It is like a good fairy tale. Inside, so it's a card game, and these cards are standard size. Just to note, I am loving the fact that the box is literally taken up by the cards. So I'm not wasting space. How adorable is this? Let's look at the cards. So you have instructions. There's one instruction card, double-sided, two instruction card, double-sided. So I think this is fair. I don't think the instructions will be too difficult to actually read, and that's definitely a plus. The amount of games here, whoo, love the fact that I have these cards. The back of the cards, they're nice. I guess again, based on the cover and based on the cards, it looks like there are 4 different types of, I guess, feelings or cards. So it's nice. It does fit together. Togetherland, pun intended. So you have your angry dragon, those are these cards. We have the friendly little fairies, so you have angry, friendly, some more feelings. We have brave, oh that's a lot of fun. We have sad troll, oh he's so cute, the sad troll. Then we have a brave knight. So I guess these are just a bunch of feelings with cards. Most of the cards appear to have a number on top, not all of them, as you can see here. There is some draw 2 cards with the challenge. Let's just read the challenge for fun. Friendly fairy has failed her exam. Oh no, to become a professional tooth fairy. How can you cheer her up? Oh, I love that right there. I mean, I'm sorry friendly fairy failed her exam, but these are real examples. Like your friend failed a test, your friend is sad. Totally love this idea. Challenge. Show us what sad troll looks like when someone hurts his feelings. So, I'm loving the idea. There are feelings on the cards. So what I'm going to do this week, we're going to play this game. I'm going to find a few kids to play with. Not all of them have feeling prompts. We're going to find a few kids to play with, and then we're going to actually get back to how the actual gameplay went, and I'm super excited to share that with you. So again, everything goes in this box. It is so, I have to say, very well thought out that even though at first I was disappointed, it is a smaller game. I am super duper impressed that the actual footprint on the shelf is going to be this small. So hold your horses and wait till next week to actually see how Togetherland plays. Speaking of next week, this is one of my games this week, and we have Mind Your Beeswax. It is a little bit bigger than Togetherland, but also a social skill game. So we're going to open this up next week. And if you want to sponsor a game, well, feel free to inbox me, message me, and I will tell you how you can send over a game, and I will unbox it on a different video. And not only that, I will give you guys a shout out. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Can't wait to see you next week when we open Mind Your Beeswax. Small tip for those of you who stayed this long, head over to the link above, because I have a YouTube channel, and I will upload a replay of this very video along with a link to Mad Libs the game, which is super fun for grammar, Togetherland the game, which can't wait to try it out, and they'll also include next week's game, Mind Your Beeswax. So if you want any of these links, like I said, head over to the link above, let me know, click on it, and you'll be taken to my YouTube channel where I will have all of these links for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye. If you would like to learn more about last week's game, Mad Libs, this week's game, Togetherland, and next week's game, Mind Your Beeswax, have no fear. Check out the description box below, in which I have direct links to the Amazon product of all these three. So click the link below, and it will take you directly where you could purchase any one of these games. And if you have any questions, no worries. I am fully accessible over on my Instagram channel. So check out the links below, click on the Instagram link, and message me away. I'm here for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Can't wait to see you again next week. Bye.